Today, we'll show you 9 cutting-edge and ingenious inventions for your garage that you've never seen before, and they're all part of our collection of cool gadgets. So what are you waiting for? Grab your popcorn and enjoy our today's selection while relaxing on the sofa. Let's move on to the video. Do you know about the TV show Storage Wars? This is an extremely popular American reality television talent competition that airs on the A&E network. Under this show, individuals auction off car or services garages and warehouse buildings, and the purchasers subsequently try to negotiate the sale of the contents for the highest price feasible. Because there's a lot of material within, numerous garage proprietors must set up a practical storage solution such that they constantly understand what they possess and where it has been kept. These systems designers would assist with this because they're helpful in garage workshops, factories, manufacturing regions, as well as other locations. Although there are 3 different possibilities. A sliding mechanism arrangement with a maximum weight capacity of 420 pounds, as well as 12 package boxes. A portable elevator that can accommodate a platform base weight of up to 700 pounds. Furthermore, permanent shelf that really can support 1,000 pounds. The limited lifespan guarantee is included with everything. This system starts at $479 even though a copyright has not yet been applied for them. According to the designers, Gator Mega Hooks can support an astounding and an incredible 50 pounds of weight. Its objective was to provide organizational supplies and accessories to assist everyone from homemakers to skilled and experienced constructors. However, they proved to be prosperous. The hook can be permanently attached to metal surfaces with only one motion owing to a strong magnet. Furthermore, the producers provide 2-dimension measurements that is 3 and 4.5 inches, as well as various other forms. Moreover, they provide such a steel plate that really is practical when you have numerous tools and products. With a price tag of $21 per hook, they were capable of raising more than $24,000 on Kickstarter funding platform. 81.6 million bikes had been purchased globally in year 2019 and year 2020, which would be one for each person in South Africa, which means that there will still be some remaining motorbikes after that. Motorcycle lovers all around the world struggle with the logistics of moving and keeping their vehicles. As a matter of fact, tools such as these simplify and ease these duties and save the lives of everyone involved, including cyclists, salesmen, logisticians, and showroom employees. You are observing a motor mover dolly on your commuter and mobile screens, which is in action using a sidearm stand. The platform fits the bike's footrest precisely, eliminating the requirement to lock it in position, and it's capable of transporting motorcycles weighing up to 1,323 pounds. Motorbikes and other vehicles are now able to be parked, not just neatly, but also in a small area. The main drawback lies in the fact that the stand and dolly together cost about $355. We develop innovations that render and makes your house easier and smarter, as well as secure, enabling you to accomplish more of what you enjoy according to the designers of these storage solutions. They distinguish themselves by being manageable with smartphones, and they are lightweight. There are a couple of variations that can be used for different purposes, including 2 separate bicycle and kayaking system solutions. Furthermore, variants with a variety of uses are offered, such as the 360-pound capable, which is 4x4 feet cargo platform. Additionally, Bluetooth compatibility with the systems enables you to link up maximum of 4 elevators to operate together. And a clever process involves determining whether the system is overwhelmed and stop it from crashing through the roof. Mr. Jeremy Charles Robert Clarkson is an English broadcaster, journalist, game show host, and writer who focuses on automobiles. He is most known for his work on the auto shows Top Gear and the Grand Tour. If users enjoy watching Top Gear, you surely recall not just the jokes about Admiral Slow and the little celebrity visitors, but also this strange table. It is constructed from a Jaguar V12 engine based on the most recent data found on the web. If you have more than $3,000 to spend, you may purchase one of the duplicates that are offered. Nonetheless, artisans from every corner of the globe are developing their own variations that occasionally appear much more intriguing. The tables you are viewing on the screen, for instance, are each individually designed and manufactured from V6 and V8 engines. A price of $5,500 was given for the red and black version. The following creeper will make technicians and mechanics extra delighted, particularly if they operate on vehicles like buses or trucks. The three-wheel design structure of this variant provides users for customizable ground clearance. Indeed, most vehicles can't accomplish that. It additionally features two armrests with tool trays, a comfortable polyurethane headrest, as well as the design is similar to an office chair. The maximum weight it can hold is 500 pounds. The adaptable wheels are all-terrain and the chair is sturdy regardless of how it's moved. It costs $375 to purchase this functional and practical gadget. What are you supposed to do if your cherished vehicle breaks down and you frequently need to move it for maintenance but don't have enough money for a car lift? You must use your creativity. Use this simple method that doesn't need any additional equipment, power, or other hassles by remembering the laws of physics. The vehicle's front and rear sections could both be raised by the operator. Furthermore, there are a ton of technical improvements in the comments section given by the individuals. The innovator must take action to address any potential floor scratches immediately so there would be no scratches on vehicle's base. Second, he unquestionably requires some sort of safety mechanism. The following gadget is used whether for elevating automobiles outside or in a vehicle garage is a safer and more practical alternative. This German-made gadget can easily raise a vehicle up to 3.3 feet in height and accommodate weights of up to 46-30 pounds. The rubber inserts will prevent damages and dents, and there is no need for extensive implementation or complicated maintenance. The elevator may be used independently, and the maker claims that it's ideal for auto exhibitions and automobile dealerships. It costs $963 to purchase the elevator, and it comes with a patented design. Hurricanes and tornadoes are a common, extremely dangerous, and frequently reported occurrence in the United States of America. More than 2 million people were left without energy. The Republic of Cuba was likewise impacted by Storm Ian in the fall of year 2022, and the electrical infrastructure there collapsed. Because of this, people construct homes like this one in their garages in addition to awesome automobiles and other handcrafted goods. Hopefully we won't ever require it, expresses the owner of this system. Galvanized steel is employed as the frame on this particular one. FlatSafe, a business that specializes in tasks similar to this, completed the service for the people who are affected by the hurricane. Someone cleverly pointed out in the comments that the shelter would also be useful when you need to make an oil change in the automobile.